Hello and welcome. My name is Carsten Lutzen. I'm a professional coach and a facilitator and agile coach. Today I will share an exercise that at first might seem super counterintuitive and doing everything that we don't want an energizer to do, but there is a reason behind it. But if you like these videos, please consider subscribing and sharing with your network. That would be super awesome. So back to this energizer. It's called Talking Behind People's Back. And as you can hear from the title, this is not something that we would normally encourage people to do, but let's do it in this exercise. So, as I said, it's an energizer, and when we're planning timing-wise, set aside 1.5 to 2 minutes per participant. So this works quite awesome if we are 10-ish people at most. And it's a version of a positive gossip that I've previously shared, and I will get back to how we do it in a second. So the idea is, if you know Troika Consulting, you're a bit familiar with this turning the back to the rest. What we do is go around the room, so round robin style. Then we take turning our back to the rest of the room, and then the rest of the room have a conversation about, I look forward to see this person bring this. And we deliberately say that we look forward to, so in a positive way, what is it that we really look forward to see Carsten bring to the conversation today? Or what is it that we really look forward to see John bring to the conversation today? In this way, we get our expectations out in the open, but in a more or in an easier way when the person we're talking about is turning the back to the group, and the person turning with the back to the group can then just sit and listen in and figure out, okay, so this is actually what people hope that I bring to the table today. Normally when I facilitate, I keep myself out of whatever energizer we're doing, and I just show it. Depends again on the energizer. But because we're doing alignments, right, we are aligning on what is it that we expect from today, I also include myself, so people have a chance to pitch in what is it that they hope that me as a facilitator bring to the table today. And this is just a great positive way of getting started, right? And we have this awesome alignment setting up front. And then a bonus at the end of the workshop. One of my great colleagues proposed an exercise that we should follow up with, and this is a perfect way of ending it. So here in the beginning, everybody is talking behind one person's back, right, with what is it that they look forward to see them bring. And then at the end, we have a feed forward loop. So again, we go round robin, but this time I am sharing with the person next to me, I was super glad that you brought this to this workshop today, and it was so awesome to see how you lead in, and then praising that person. And then when I'm done, when the 1 minute or 2 minutes is up, we go to the next person, and then they give their positive, appreciative feedback to the next person. So we go round robin, and in that way, we don't get a chance to defend or say thanks, but we just go around, and it's such a nice way of ending the day. And we can also see the change, right, from talking behind people's back and then actually do it face to face, one-on-one, which is super awesome. So that is an energizer and also a great exercise to end the day with. I'm super curious if you have similar energizers, then please share. That would be awesome. And if you have comments, questions, ideas, or feedback to these videos, please leave a comment or send me a message. Again, that would be cool. That's it. Have a super awesome day.